What letter is this? Yawn. What letter?
E.
A. How about this one?
B. U.
This one.
U.
This one.
I.
What about this one?
G.
G. How about this one?
E.
And this one. What about this one? Hey. Olivia. Yeah, you're looking at the pictures on the back. Look. What's this one?
M.
M. What's this one?
H.
H. What's this? What is it? What is it? Tell Mama what it is first. What is it? N. That's right. What's on the back of there? What number is that?
9.
9. Good girl. What's this?
E.
V. What's this one?
But
What's that?
that is
W. What's this one?
I.
K. How about this one?
O.
And this one?
E.
This one? What is it? Hey, let go. What is it? What letter? What letter is that? What is this? What is it? Tell Mama what it is.
S.
S. Good girl. What's this one? What's this one? Hey, what's this? What letter? What letter? You can have it as soon as you tell me what letter it is. What is it? What letter? What letter is it? What letter is this?
I.
No, it's not an I. What is it?
D.
T. Good girl. How about this one? Olivia.
F.
F. How about this one?
S.
This one.
O.
What is it? What is it? What is it? Well, you gotta tell me what it is. What's that? What letter is this? What letter? What is it? What's that letter?
Yeah, Y.
Yeah, what about this one?
B.
This one.
Minutes.
What letter's this?
E.
What is it?
D.
C. What's this one?
I.
What is it?
D.
I know, yep. How about this?
J.
And this one?
O.
R. Good girl. And what's this one?
Q.
No, it's not Q. It doesn't have a thing in it. What is it?
O.
Oh, good girl. You did them all because you're super smart.
Y.
Why? Yeah.
D.
C.
A. D.
What letter is this? What's that?
D.
D. Good girl. Say, oh, bother. Oh, bother.
Over.
What does Mama's iPhone say?
On.
What? What does Mama's iPhone say?
Down.
What does it say?
Up.
What's Mama's iPhone say?
Up.
Up. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Down.
Oh, all down, huh? Night, night.